Okay, this is a really neat feature. So power symbols and ground symbols. You may have a library full of preloaded power symbols, 5 volts, 3 volts for example, and then when you pull off that symbol, the net you're pulling off it inherits the net name. Those work during conversion on CADSTAR. If you migrate a design from classic CADSTAR to eCADSTAR, those will work. Your design will be compliant. However, I'd just like to show you this new feature. So if I filter on my I've changed my library to symbols. If I change to global, here you can see a load of predefined symbols, and here I have one with no net. So I could drop these coincident actually, but I'll just place them there. Let me connect this one up. I'm just going to connect this to all 3 of these top pins. In fact, let's just connect those whilst we're here. Connect that. Okay. Now I could name these. There's a few different ways I can do it. If I enable the properties, I could name it there. Okay, net label. Also, I can name this device. But what I want to do is use this feature. If I can remember my shortcut, yes I can. Net bus. So available from the home tab and net bus. All I do now is I simply select a segment of this trace wire, and there you can see, look what it's telling me there, suggested labels. And what it's doing is it's looking inside the device at the pins that are connected to that net. It's saying, do you want to use any of these names? Now I don't have to use those names, I can override it here. I can type anything I want in here, but let's just say we're happy with that one, so I can call it that net. And now when I copy this symbol, it's preloaded with that that net name. Okay, so a really neat feature, good way of getting information onto your schematic, net information onto your schematic.